So Android released Android 12 Beta 2 about a week ago, and in this video I'm just going to share with you some bugs I've seen so far in this new beta. And if you're also facing the same problems if you've installed this beta, just state in the comments. Who knows, Android might be watching this video and they might work on it. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, the thing I want to share with you most, which is one thing a lot of people look at when they're buying a phone, is the battery. So with the battery right here, Android 12 Beta 2 actually drains my battery more than it used to be, seriously, because I charged this 100% about an hour or two ago and it's now 56. I've barely used it and I don't know why it's draining my battery. I'm just using it like how I used to use it. Nothing new, nothing less, nothing extraordinary on my phone, or probably maybe using any other apps or something. I'm just using it the way I've been using it when I was running Android 11, and it's draining it more than it used to be. Android 12 Beta 1 was even draining my battery, but it wasn't as much as this is doing. And the next thing I want to share with you is also in apps. I've not been able to open all my apps on my phone because I have a lot of apps on my phone, about 350 apps on my phone. I've not been able to open every one of them, but the ones I use most, which is YouTube and then YouTube Studios, I tap on this one and it's just gonna kick me back. You see right here, I tap on it and it's just gonna kick me back. Initially, you see, this is what I've been seeing. Initially, when I tapped on it and then it kicked me back, I went to the Play Store and then I saw an update of it and I updated the app and then everything worked perfectly. And then after about an hour or two, it just started behaving like this, and someone might be also facing that problems too. And I think maybe in the next beta or something, it's gonna be sorted, or probably maybe things are gonna get better. So what I noticed too was sometimes maybe when I'm using this phone right here, I'll be using it and it will tell me to restart the system UI. So when I just tap on that, it refreshes the phone all over again, and then it has to make my phone look like I just restarted it from the off button right here, and that is really bad. So one thing I also noticed is if you actually change the background like this, it was supposed to change this one right here and it doesn't do it. It doesn't change the colors right here. But when you try changing the background again and maybe you just use a different color, you will see it will actually pick it up when maybe you restart the phone. That is when it's going to pick it up. But when you're just using it right away, it's not going to change anything, because it was supposed to change it and then pick up the wallpaper you've used right here. So you see, it's still like that. It's not changing. Let me just change it to the green color, and when I restart the device, it might probably change to the green color, because initially that was how it was working, but now I tried it out severally and it's not working. So you see right here, it's not working. So let me just restart it. Google Pixel doesn't take much time to restart. It's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds to restart, and then you're going to see what I'm talking about right here. It's not going to pick the background color. It's not going to pick it back. That was the mindset Android was actually trying to do, but it's not really picking it up. So I think maybe this is one of the bugs I'm seeing right here, and I know a lot of people are facing different kind of bugs. And if you have a problem, you have a bug you are seeing on your phone, it's very easy. You can just report it to Android, and then they are just going to see it. But who knows, you probably might be watching this video and then they might work things out for us, and that is basically going to be cool. So just give this video a thumbs up so that it reaches a lot of people, so that Android is actually going to see it. And then you don't forget to subscribe to the channel too. So when I tap on it and I scroll down, it was supposed to change this to green, but it's still not changing it. And then yeah, initially when I just installed it the first time, it was working perfectly, and then it just messed up. This side was also supposed to change to green, but it's not working. So this is all I want to share with you about the bugs. If you have any problems you are facing, just state in the comment too, and then we see how things are going to be done in the next beta. And I thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel too, and without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.